Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, thank you for clicking on to today's video, and if you're coming back to my channel, welcome back you guys. Now as you all have already read from today's title, today's video is going to be a Valentine's Day special. I'm going to be sharing with you guys some quick and easy Valentine's Day home decor. Let me show you guys how you guys can make these quick and easy DIY decor. So without further ado, let's begin with the video.
To make this first DIY, the first thing you're going to need is of course a photo frame 11 by 14, a white cardboard paper, a butterfly stencil sheet, a pencil, and a red permanent marker. And also don't forget a black Sharpie pen as well. First, grab a cardboard paper, draw out a heart. In the middle of the heart, I'm gonna write down my name. You can write anyone's name, doesn't matter, it could be yours. But wait, if you're someone like me who's not the best in cursive, here's a technique that I want to share with you guys. So I went on my phone and I pretty much searched for cursive fonts, and I had typed in my name so that way I was able to get my name in cursive. Next, I pretty much grabbed one of the gift bag tissue papers in the color white and I placed it on top of my phone, and I highed up my brightness on my phone so I was able to trace over my name easily, and once that was traced, this is what I got as a result. I placed the tissue paper on top of the cardboard paper, and I ended up using a black Sharpie pen to overline the letters in my name. As I was outlining the letters using the pen, because the paper is so thin, it was easily leaving its print. And here is the reveal. Wow, you see how easily and so nicely it just came out? Now the only thing I have to do is I just have to overline it on the cardboard paper, and this is how it looks like. So once we're done with this, next what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the butterfly stencil, and pretty much what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the smaller butterflies and I'm going to go my way ending off with using the bigger size butterflies. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to find the smaller size butterfly and I'm going to start off with where my heart starts from. So I'm just going to align it right now, and once I've aligned it, next what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my red Sharpie marker and just color it in, and this is how it would look like. 2 done and more to go. And here is the finished look. Honestly, this came out really nice. I wasn't expecting it to come this good, but wow, I mean, this came out way better than what I expected. To make this next DIY project, the first thing you're going to need is of course a wreath, rosebuds, color of your own choice, a ribbon, also a color of your own choice, a hot glue gun, and scissors. For this DIY project, I'm going to be using 2 colored rosebuds, so I'm going to start off with the red colored and I'm going to go my way down and then end off with the white rosebuds at the bottom. So 1 down and more to go. And here is the finished look. Pretty much what I did was I wrapped the ribbon all around the wooden wreath and created a bow at the bottom. Next, with the extra ribbon, I tied it up and hanged the wreath on the door. I used the tape since the wreath was very lightweight. For this next DIY project, the first thing you're going to need is of course a picture frame, a scratch pad, and a pencil. Start off with grabbing one of these scratch pad sheets. I'm going to be using the same technique that I used for my first DIY project, so I'm just going to write over it with a Sharpie black pen, and it's going to leave the same print. Once I got the letters printed on the scratch pad, next what I'm going to use is I'm going to use this wooden pen that came with the scratch pad, and I'm just going to outline it. And here is the finished look.
And that is it, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed today's Valentine's Day special. If you guys did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. And also don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss a post. For all my video updates, you guys can check me out on Instagram. My Instagram is provided down in the description below and also just down here. And also you guys can follow me on TikTok as well. My TikTok is also provided down in the description below and just down here as well.
And today's video shout out goes to Samantha. Shout out to you.
And thank you so much. Take care, guys. Stay safe. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.